Before we start, please listen carefully. This is a very important story. Please watch it till the end. In this story, you will learn how to improve your English. I will share some simple tips. I will use easy sentences. These sentences are very useful in daily life. But here is the important thing. Please repeat every sentence. Practice every day. If you don't practice, nothing will happen. You can watch 1,000 videos, but without practice, you will not improve. This is the goal of English Hatha, to help you learn better English, to keep you motivated, to make learning easy and fun. So, are you ready? Let's start the story. My name is John. I am 25 years old. I live in a small town. I have a big dream. I want to speak English fluently. But there is one problem. My English is very weak. I cannot speak English well. I always say to myself, when I try to speak, I feel nervous. My hands shake. My voice becomes low. I forget simple words. People laugh at me. They say your English is so bad. This makes me very sad. Every day I wake up early. I tell myself, today is a new day. I will try again. I watch English videos. I read English books. I write English sentences. But nothing works. Why is this so hard? I ask myself. One day, my friend Ali comes to my house. He speaks English very well. I ask him, how do you speak so well? He smiles and says, can I tell you a secret? Yes, please tell me. I say. Ali sits next to me. He says, John, you are making one big mistake. What mistake? I ask. You only watch videos. You never practice. You never speak. I think about this. He is right. I only listen. I never speak. Ali continues. English is like swimming. You cannot learn swimming by watching videos. You have to jump in the water. So what should I do? I ask. Ali gives me a simple plan. Ali says follow these 5 steps every day. Step 1. Learn 5 new sentences daily, not words. Sentences, because we speak in sentences. Step 2. Repeat each sentence 10 times. Say it loudly. Say it clearly. Step 3. Use these sentences in real life. Talk to yourself. Talk to friends. Talk to family. Step 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers. They help you learn. Step 5. Be consistent. Practice every single day, even for 10 minutes. That's it. I ask. That's it. Ali says, simple things done daily create big results. The next morning, I wake up with hope. I can do this, I say to myself. I start with simple sentences. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? Nice to meet you. How can I help you? I repeat each sentence 10 times. Then I practice more sentences. I would like some water, please. Can you help me? I don't understand. Can you repeat? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I feel good. This is easy. 1 week passes. I know many new sentences now. I use them every day. When I go to the shop, I say, hello, how much does this cost? The shopkeeper answers. I understand him. I will take this one, please. He gives me the item. I say thank you. Have a good day. I feel so happy. I am speaking English in real life. But learning is not always easy. Sometimes I face problems. One day I try to speak to a stranger, but I forget my words. My mind goes blank. I cannot finish my sentence. The person walks away. I feel bad. I want to give up. Maybe I cannot do this. I think that night I call Ali. I made a mistake today. I forgot everything. I say. Ali laughs gently. He says, John, this is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is, did you try? Yes, I tried. I say then, you did not fail. You learned. Try again tomorrow. Ali's words give me strength. I will not give up. I tell myself I continue my practice. Every morning, every evening, I learn new sentences. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Could you please speak slowly? I am sorry. I am still learning. Can you help me with this? I really appreciate your help. I talk to myself in the mirror. I feel silly at first, but it works. I also start thinking in English, not in my native language. This is very helpful. 30 days pass. Something amazing happens. I meet an English tourist on the street. He asks me, excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for the train station. Before I would run away, but today I stop. I smile. Of course I can help you. I say confidently, go straight on this road, then turn left. The station is on your right side. It will take about 10 minutes. The tourist smiles. He says, thank you so much. Your English is very good. My heart fills with joy. I cannot believe it. Thank you. Have a safe journey, I say. I walk home with a big smile. 3 months pass. I am a different person now. I speak English every day. I am not afraid anymore. I make mistakes sometimes, but I don't care. I learn from them. Today, I want to share my story with you. I want to tell you something important. You can improve your English. It doesn't matter where you are from. It doesn't matter how weak your English is right now. It doesn't matter how many times you have failed. What matters is, you start today. You practice daily. You never give up. And that is the end of John's story. But wait, this is not really the end. This is actually the beginning of your story. You are just like John. Today you watch this video, you learned something new. Now the question is, what will you do next? Will you close this video and forget everything? Or will you take action? Here is my challenge for you. Pick any 5 sentences from this story. Write them down. Repeat them 10 times. Use them tomorrow in real life. If you do this, I promise you will improve. Remember, watching is not enough. You must practice. You must speak. You must repeat. This is the mission of English Fight. We are here to help you. We will upload more stories, more lessons, more practice videos, but we need your support. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Together, we will improve. Thank you for watching till the end.